Breaking news. Buhari, see who Buhari has just sacked and has been replaced. The name of the replacement now is Mohammed Koko. This is what is going on recently. The Minister of Finance has been engulfed in some kind of, management of Nigerian finances. When Governor Gordon Obaseki, the executive governor of Edo State, said, money was being printed indiscriminately in the country, she was the person who said no, that Governor Gordon Obaseki, the executive governor of Edo State, who raised the alarm, was saying what was not correct, or rather what was not right. Anyway, my people, at the end of the day, it was found out that Governor Gordon Obaseki was right after all, because that was confirmed by the CBN governor, Godwin Emefiele, who said, yes, what Governor Gordon Obaseki was saying was very correct. So these are a lot of some deceitful things ongoing now. And right now, Buhari has sacked one and replaced again with another Fulani. Where are we headed as a nation? These are questions we should be asking ourselves. Breaking news just in. Buhari sack Hassan Balam Husman as NPA chief, names Mohammed Koko as replacement. President Muhammadu Buhari has suspended Hassan Bala Mohammed as the managing director of the Nigerian Port Authority, sources told People Glacier. Usman was replaced by Mohammed Koko, the director of finance. Usman told the Glacier that she was aware of her suspension from office but was yet to receive any formal communication to that effect from the Ministry of Transportation. The spokesman for the ministry did not immediately return our request seeking comments. Usman was appointed as NPA chairman in 2016 and was repeatedly propagated her reform policies that sought to redirect the organization, which is one of the top venue generating entity of the Nigerian government. So this is what is going on right now. Buhari has replaced MPA. You'll be shocked to know that every valuable position in this country is being, headed by Northerners. Please investigate every valuable position as far to MPA, Nigerian Port Authorities, and they don't have water in the north, so to say, but they are the one heading it in the south and everywhere. And the southerners are there shouting, Baba, oh, Baba, oh. I wonder what Baba oh, they are shouting. People like Shiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu are encouraging southerners and the other parts to continue in the lopsided, government that we have. Look at what is happening today. All the service chiefs, where are they from? Go to ministries, go to places of importance. Before you see any other region heading any parts, either they are, second to the Fulani or secretary or something. Not something really tangible that could give them a voice to be the authority there, or calling the shot, or making the relevant decisions as the matter may be. So you see, these are some of the things currently ongoing now in the country. As we speak, a lot of people can no longer even, cannot even vouch or say something for themselves, as regards to the situation of things of this country, as regards to things that are important, you see. So what's going on in this country? It shows you that Muhammadu Buhari, has come to tell Nigerians that he's got nothing to offer to the country rather than nepotism. Okay, sabotaging the good of the people, the wealth of the nation being pushed into one particular area for people. If for instance, what's happening is that they are really contributing to the nation's GDP, that'll be very encouraging. I mean, why not if not? But not when these people, I mean, when you look at it, who are those exactly that are really, ensuring that, everyone is contributing? And how does the nation finances get disbursed to areas that really desperately need them? Even in the north, where they said they are sending the money to, you'll be surprised to see Amajaris, children sleeping by the wayside. Yes, go and investigate. Children sleeping on the road. So if you look at it, you know that something is wrong. Something is really wrong. Something is really wrong. Honestly, something is really wrong. A country where there is no decorum, there is no orderliness, there is no truth. Everything is one-sided to one people. Now, they've removed one Fulani, they've replaced with another Fulani. You see, they've removed one, they've put another one there. So, I mean, if you look at it, who is deceiving who? Who exactly is deceiving who? And you tell me that Nigeria is one Nigeria. Excuse me, what is called one Nigeria? And when you look at it, that's why this is the reason why some people want out of Nigeria. You will not blame them, because if you know the injustice that is going on, if you know how people feel out of place and do not feel a part of this current administration or government, you will understand that there is need for change. You will really understand it, that there is serious need for change as we speak now. You will understand it, that something is not right, and there are people who wants to, sabotage, the country at all costs, to the extent that they want Fulanis to take over, and so are doing nothing about it, absolutely nothing about it, not trying to ensure that there is safety for anybody. And in fact, what's his name? Lai Mohammed released a statement telling Nigerians that it's not the federal government's duty to ensure that lives and property are safe. So when you look at what is happening, who exactly is the leader? Who exactly is calling the shots here? Who are those leading? What is the leadership? What is the leadership of Nigeria all about? Who is the leaders? Who are the leaders? Do we have any leader? Because it doesn't seem very much like that. It feels like we are on our own. Okay, and there are no people who are there to ensure that Nigeria gets good leadership. That's the way it feels. It feels very much like there is nobody there, and that's what it is. Is there anybody? The answer is no. The answer is really no. But Buhari's wife keeps shouting out, here are the men, they've taken out the leadership from her husband, but she will not say what they've taken out. She will not say it as it is. So she kept giving parables. After giving the parable, she ran out of the country, and as we speak, she only came a little bit, did her book launch when her husband was away, and ran out before he could come back. And you think something is not wrong somewhere. Something is definitely wrong, and all of them knows exactly what is going on, but everybody has sworn to secrecy. We'd like to hear from you. Please don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. Thank you very much. God bless you. Have a fantastic day. From us is bye for now. Bye.